Thursday, October 27th, 2022. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I'm wondering what the day will bring. Welcome to my day in the life with the Pixel 7 Pro.
For my real rap, man. We tired of that, man. Retire that. They don't really wanna hear the truth no more. Think they scared how I make them feel. And you can say anything you want about me. I ain't worried, that don't make it real. They don't really wanna hear the real no more. Think they scared how I make them act. And you can say anything you want about me. I ain't tripping, that don't make it fat. Look, coming live from the gutter like a cold puddle. When water whipping road shuttle. Your whole huddle, Dutch burning, moving slow. I'm feeling like the minute hand. All wishes granted to me, turning in a tenant van. Been the man, never question nothing that was in the plan. See it from my third eye vision, so I understand. Poolside plotting moves like a dance team. 100 band scheme in the dirty with my hands clean. Never been the type of they could castrate. 5th grade, I was selling candy to my classmates. I ain't call her back, I let her think about the last date. Student of the game, and I promise you not a classmate. Problem is with these rap, they move iffy. In my mood picky, can't let these get rude with me. God spitting on to keep my then it hit the game. Acting like I slipped in these small town fly. Never heard of these on my apex. Tip top vertices, it ain't mouths moving, but they never moving vertically. Hit a person, stupid practicing the perjury. Black Lord, noble drooping, big stepping. Love them all, give them about the click repping. Small losses always taught in big lessons. Quit stressing, liberating knowledge, make the lesson. They don't really want to hear the truth no more. Think they scared how I make them feel. And you can say anything you want about me. I ain't worried, that don't make it real. They don't really wanna hear the real no more. Think they scared how I make them act. And you can say anything you want about me. I ain't tripping,
Not
that
seen
don't make
here.
it fair.
And welcome to my day in the life with the Pixel 7 Pro. Now what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys how the 7 Pro holds up with moderate to heavy use. So I'm going to be doing things like playing games, recording video, taking pictures, and anything else that the average person would do on their phone. And also, if you guys do enjoy these types of videos, let me know what phone that you want me to do next. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video. Now today is a very chill yet productive day, and the first thing that I want to do is go work out. Then after that, I want to go get something to eat. And after that, I want to go to Best Buy to get something. And last but not least, I want to go back home so that I can get some work done. And before I leave and take you guys on this journey with me, let's take some quick pics. So now that I was able to get my morning routine out of the way, I was able to leave my house so that I could be able to make it to the gym. And while I was waiting for the elevator, I decided to check my phone, and right now it's 11:51 a.m. and I have 98% battery left, which was a pretty good way to start the day. I had a full tank of gas and was ready to go to the gym and work out. Now the drive from my house to the gym is about 12 minutes with no traffic, which shouldn't harm the battery at all. Also, I'm going to be using GPS while I drive, and again, I want to see what the percentage will be when I get there. Now I got to the gym at 12:22 p.m. and my battery is at 92%, which means that I lost 8% worth of battery, and I want to see what my battery will look like after my workout.
I'ma need safety. Tell the op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me, supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. Winning now.
Now, while I was resting for a bit, the first thing I had to do was check my phone for emails to see if I missed any important notifications. And I got back to the car at 2:11 p.m. and my battery is on 66%, and I'm hoping that the 7 Pro can be able to last me all day, especially since the Pixel 7 gave me some pretty good battery. And now the next place that I was going to is Chipotle, and it's a 4-minute drive, so it shouldn't put much strain on the battery. Now I got to Chipotle at 2:53 p.m. and my battery is at 62%, which means I lost 4% since I left the gym. And while I was waiting for my food, I went on Twitter to see what was going on in the tech community. I also went on Instagram to see what was going on with my close friends. And once I got my food, I watched YouTube videos to get some good use out of the battery. Alright you guys, now the next thing that I want to do real quick, I want to go by PetSmart, you know what I'm saying? I want to see what animals they got there, and I also want to see how the camera holds up in that environment, and also I want to take some cute videos of some cute animals. So man, let's get right in there. Now I got to the car at 4:30 p.m. and my battery is at 40%, which means that I lost a lot of battery due to heavy use. Now I'm going to Best Buy, which is pretty close, and it's 5:09 p.m. and my battery is at 34%, and the battery is holding up pretty well, but I want to see what it'll do with extra strain. Now I got to Best Buy at 5:20 p.m. and my battery's at 33%, which means that I lost 1% since my last check. Whoa. It's crazy. All right, so after roaming around, I finally got it. Now I'm about to buy it and we can get out of here. Now, while I was in Best Buy, I bought a mouse pad using my Pixel 7 Pro, and not having to go to checkout was a really useful feature. And while I was waiting for the associates to get my mouse pad, I went on TikTok to put some extra strain on the battery. All right, you guys, now I finally got out of Best Buy. Listen, that's how it is usually. Every time I go to Best Buy, I end up, you know, being in there for hours, but I'm glad we got out of there. I'm being honest, when I was waiting for my homie, I used a lot of time on TikTok, so I drained a lot of the battery. So once I get home, I might just finish out the video, but you know, we'll get there. Now I got back to the car at 6:35 p.m. My battery is at 14%, and we're gonna see if the battery is able to last me all day. Now my house was about 11 minutes away, and we're gonna see what my battery will look like when I get there. Also, I will be using GPS and playing music, which will really test out the battery and see if it can last throughout the drive. Now my final time is at 7:04 p.m. and my battery percentage is at 9%, which means that the Pixel 7 Pro will be able to last you all day, even with heavy use. And my final on-screen time is 3 hours and 46 minutes, which is okay and can last longer. And if I'm being honest, it can really last longer if you're not using power heavy apps and not really trying to drain it like I was. And alright you guys, thank you for spending the day with me as I tested out the Pixel 7 Pro. And now I want you guys to give me your thoughts on the screen time and how long the battery lasted. And mind you, I had 5G on, I had the max brightness on, I was playing music, I was recording videos, and I was doing a lot of heavy things that really hindered the battery. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.